In this quick guide, I'll show you how to create a new workflow in Process.st. If you're new to the software, don't worry. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can start building efficient workflows for your team in no time. First, let's talk about why creating a new workflow in Process.st is so important. A workflow in Process.st is essentially a step-by-step checklist that helps you automate repetitive tasks, streamline your processes, and ensure nothing is overlooked. It's a game changer for businesses that want to improve efficiency and consistency. To get started, head to the homepage of Process.st. Once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard. On the left side, you'll see the Create a New Template button. Click that, and you're ready to begin. Now, you're in the Template Builder, where you can create your new workflow from scratch. The first thing you'll need to do is give your workflow a name. Make sure the name is clear and specific so anyone using it will know exactly what it's for. You can change the name later if needed, but having a solid title from the get-go will save you time in the future. Next, let's add some steps to your workflow. Each step in your workflow is essentially a task that needs to be completed. Click the Add Step button, and you'll have the option to add different types of tasks. You can use checklists, due dates, assignees, and even rich text for detailed instructions. The flexibility here is fantastic because you can customize your workflow exactly how you want it. One of the most useful features in Process.st is the ability to add conditional logic to your workflow. This means you can set up steps that only appear based on previous actions. For example, if one task is marked as complete, another set of tasks might appear. This dynamic functionality saves time and ensures your team doesn't waste effort on irrelevant tasks. After you've added all your steps, you can organize them by dragging and dropping to reorder them. This is perfect for making sure your workflow follows the logical order of operations. You can also add subtasks within each step, so everything is broken down into manageable pieces. Another great feature of Process.st is the ability to assign tasks to specific team members. For each step, you can assign an individual or a team to be responsible for completing it. You can even set due dates for tasks, which helps keep your team on track and ensures deadlines are met. Once you've built your workflow, it's time to save it and share it. Process.st makes it simple to share your workflow with your team. You can invite people to collaborate, view, or even execute the workflow. And the best part? Everyone can track progress in real time. No more confusion about where things stand. Everything is updated automatically. If you're wondering how to make this process even smoother, here's a pro tip. You can integrate Process.st with other tools like Zapier, Slack, or Google Drive, making your workflow even more powerful by connecting it to your existing tools. So, now you know how to create a new workflow in Process.st. If you're ready to try it out for yourself, you can access the software completely free through the first link below. With that link, you'll also get exclusive bonuses that will help you get the most out of your new workflows. Before you go, remember, Process.st isn't just about creating workflows, it's about improving your team's efficiency and performance. By using this tool to automate your processes, you're investing in the future success of your business. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the exclusive free trial we mentioned to get started with Process.st today.